I'm going to be showing you how to hang this a bird feeder like this from a tall branch of a tree using a slingshot with a fishing reel attached to it. I'm going to first shoot a heavy weight. This is like a 1 ounce weight. I'm going to shoot it over a branch and then attach an 80-pound fishing line to that and pull that back and use the 80-pound line to support the bird feeder. I'll show you where I'm going to aim to install it. So my target is this branch right there. And I want to try to get the fishing line right in this area here where it's strong enough to support it. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot that up in there now. Okay, I got it exactly where I wanted it. And my fishing line came down easily. So here's my 1 ounce weight. It's hanging from the top of the branch, pretty much where I shot it. I'm just going to tie this 80-pound line to it. And then pull the 80-pound line back over the branch. And this will be the line I use to support the bird feeder. Here. I'm going to go ahead and start reeling in the fishing line. So now the bird feeder's on the ground and my fishing line is attached to a nail on the tree. So all I have to do is start pulling on the fishing line. And I'll get it as high as I want to put it. And then tie one of those double loops on it. And got the loop. Now I can just hook it on a nail. And then when I want to lower it down to put more feed in, I just unhook it and lower it. This is the extra fishing line to do that. And it's done. So I have it hanging up there now.